I brought her for her treatment for hip, but upon examination, we found that her left knee was also problematic. So we decided that she should go under surgery both.
मेरा नाम बिराजमती है। मैं लंबासा पीजी से आई हुई हूँ। मैं अपने पैर का दर्द के लिए इंडिया आई हुई है। 10 साल से बहुत दर्द था और यहाँ पर भी बहुत दर्द था, कमर पर भी बहुत दर्द था। मैं इसीलिए यहाँ आई थी कि मुझे यहाँ पर सेवा मिले। मेडिवाइजर तरफ से आई हुई है, अपना दर्द के लिए इलाज कराने यहाँ आई हुई है। Thank you, Susan, Deepak, and Atul.
My name is Lalita, and she's my mother. We came from Labasa, Fiji. I brought her for her treatment for hip, but upon examination, we found that her left knee was also problematic. So we decided that she should go under surgery both, and it has been successful now. And we came through Medivisor. When we visited the airport, Medivisor team, Deepak was there to pick us, and from there he brought us to the hotel. From there, next day, all the things started, examination, everything, hospital, hotel, everything was catered by Medivisor. And my message to everyone is that the services they provide is excellent. You don't have to run here and there or look for things around. They were there to help you out. Everything was given by them. My sincere thanks goes to the doctors and nurses of Max Vaishali Hospital who have successfully completed the surgery for my mom. I like to deeply thank Medivisor team, all the people working there, Brother Sushant, Deepak, all the team members there who are working there, who have helped, not forgetting the Ashlyn from Lotoka office who arranged everything for us. And my sincere thanks to Medivisor team for their efficient services provided in India for the treatment for my mother. One message I'd like to give to back home people in Labasa and Fiji, that if you need any treatment in India, go through Medivisor, because just a call away, they are there. Any help you need, they are there. They are always there to help us. And it is through Medivisor we were able to go through my mother's treatment, and it was successfully done. Thanks to Medivisor.